Good morning, students. So here we in the last class we saw about line, segment, line, ray, parallel line, perpendicular line, and we completed our exercise 4.1. In this video we will study about curve. Now what are curves? Curves means देखो कर्व का मतलब होता है whenever a figure which is including not line segment also, line segment भी नहीं है, कर्व जैसा बना होता है और वो एक फिगर होता है, इट इज नोन एज कर्व. सी नाउ व्हाट इज क्लोज्ड कर्व? क्लोज्ड कर्व क्या होता है? जो क्लोज्ड रहता है. व्हाट इज ओपन कर्व? जो ओपन रहता है. ओके, सो open curve means basically which starts from one point and end at another point, and closed is which starts from one point and end at same point, then the figure is closed, is known as curve. Now what are polygons? Polygons क्या होता है? जो एक लाइन सेगमेंट से फॉर्म किया हुआ शेप होता है जो क्लोज रहता है, that is known as line segment. So we'll start with exercise 4.2. Now classify the following curves as open or closed. Now see first one. Draw a rough diagrams to illustrate the following. Now, first one, see, classify the following curves. First one is Z, it is open curve. Second one is closed curve. Third one is open curve. Fourth one is closed. Fifth one is closed. Now draw the rough diagrams to illustrate the following. Now see the first one. What is open? Draw a open curve. So we have to just draw an open curve. See, this exercise is very easy. You can do it by yourself also. एक open curve हमें बनाना है. See, now this is example of open curve. Now see the second one, we have to make a closed curve. Okay, तो closed curve we have to make. कैसे बनाएंगे हम लोग? कैसा भी बना सकते हैं एक closed curve. Now this is known as closed curve. Now see the third one. Draw any polygon and shade its interior. कोई भी polygon हमें बनाना है. For example हम लोग ने बनाया. Now see, this is also a polygon. Okay, we have to just shade it. Now see the fourth one. Consider the given figure as the and answer the question. This figure is it is a curve, yes or no? So yes, it is a curve. Now it is closed. Yes, it is also closed. Now see the fifth one. Illustrate if possible each one of the following with a rough diagram. A closed curve that is not a polygon. Okay, एक कर्व बनाना है हमें क्लोज जो पॉलीगन ना हो. ओके, सो पॉलीगन ना हो मीन्स उसमें लाइन सेगमेंट्स शुड नॉट बी इंक्लूडेड, राइट? सो सर्कल इज नॉट अ पॉलीगन बट इट इज अ कर्व. नाउ सी द सेकेंड वन. एन ओपन कर्व मेड अप ऑफ एंटायरली ऑफ लाइन सेगमेंट. लाइन सेगमेंट के थ्रू बना हुआ ओपन कर्व हमें बनाना है. देखो ऐसा बना सकते हैं हम लोग. इट इज एन ओपन कर्व. सी अ पॉलीगन विथ टू साइड्स. टू साइड से कभी भी पॉलीगन बनेगा नहीं, सो इट इज नॉट पॉसिबल. सो not possible, we will write. This is exercise 4.2. Now next topic is angles. Angles हमें सबको पता है, we studied in 5th standard what are angles, right? So here see, angles are made when corners are formed. An angle is made up of two rays started from the common initial point. The two rays forming the angles are called arms and sides of the angle. The common initial point is known as vertex of the angle, right? This is known as vertex, this is arm, and this is side of the angle. Now see, take any angle, say angle ABC, shade the portion of the paper bordering BA and BC lies. We have to shade all the part, and अंदर का जो पार्ट होता है उसे क्या बोलते हैं? इंटीरियर. एंड outer side is known as exterior of the angles. Now see here angles we have to name. In exercise 4.3 we have to name the angles. Name the angles in the given figure. So angles कैसे बने? इधर देखो चारों साइड से एंगल बनेंगे, right? So we will name the angles. What are the angles? Angle CDA, angle DAB, then angle ABC, then angle BCD. Four angles are formed. In the given diagram, name the point in the interior of angle DOE. DOE के इंटीरियर में कौन सा पॉइंट है? A है. So point A. Okay. In the exterior of the angle EOF. EOF के एक्सटीरियर में कौन सा पॉइंट है? पॉइंट C. So इधर पॉइंट C, here पॉइंट A. On angle EOF. EOF के एंगल पे कौन सा पॉइंट है? पॉइंट B. Now see, draw rough diagrams of two angles such that they have one point in common, 2 points in common, 3 points in common, 4 points in common, 1 ray in common. So we have to form two angles such that they have these points in common. So हमें एंगल बनाना है और you have to put the points by, अब कोई भी आप एंगल एक्स वाई जेड बना सकते हो. जैसे यहाँ पे एक एंगल बनाया हुआ है, यू कैन पुट नेम बाय योरसेल्फ, यू कैन पुट पॉइंट्स बाय योरसेल्फ. पॉइंट्स को आप लोग अपने हिसाब से नाम दे सकते हो. जस्ट फॉर प्रैक्टिस यू कैन मेक. नाउ सी योर एक्सरसाइज 4.4. 4.4 के बिफोर the triangle concept is explained. What are triangle? Triangle is a polygons made up of 3 line segments. Now उसको हम लोग कैसे लिखा जाता है, जैसे कि ये ट्रायंगल है पी क्यू. हियर ट्रायंगल इज गिवन ए बी सी फॉर एग्जाम्पल. सो हाउ वी विल राइट इट? ट्रायंगल ए बी सी. Right? Draw a rough sketch of triangle ABC. Mark a point P in its interior and PQ in exterior. Exterior is the point A in the interior or in its exterior. So हम लोग क्या करेंगे, एक ट्रायंगल बना लेंगे with the help of line segment. You make triangle with the help of scale and pencil. Okay? We'll make triangle ABC. इसमें हम लोग ने इंटीरियर में क्या मार्क करना है? पॉइंट P in interior. So point P will mark in the interior and point Q in the exterior. So is the point A in the interior exterior? No, the point is not neither in the interior nor in the exterior. वो plane पे है, right? So see the second one. Identify 3 triangles in the figure. Write the name of 7 angles. 7 angles बनेंगे. Right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And one more angle it will be making. See this. 7 angles are there in the sum. Write the name of scene 6 line segments. Line segments भी बनेंगे AB, AD, AC, BD, DC, BC. These all are the angles, line segments which are made. Which 2 triangles have angle B as common? This angles and this full angle is having B as common. Triangle ABD and triangle ABC are having angle B as common. Now see quadrilaterals. What are quadrilateral? Quadrilateral means a polygon having 4 line segments is known as quadrilateral. 4-sided polygon is known as quadrilateral. It is having 4 sides. इसको 4 sides होते हैं, 4 angles होते हैं. Now see. इसमें बहुत एडजेसेंट साइड्स आर देयर, अपोजिट साइड्स आर देयर. व्हाट आर अपोजिट साइड्स? जो अपोजिट साइड्स होते हैं दिस आर नोन एज अपोजिट साइड्स. व्हाट आर एडजेसेंट साइड? जो साथ में होते हैं दे आर नोन एज एडजेसेंट साइड्स. नाउ सी एक्सरसाइज 4.5. ड्रॉ अ रफ स्केच ऑफ क्वाड्रिलेटरल PQRS. ड्रॉ इट्स डायगोनल्स. नेम देम. इज द मीटिंग पॉइंट ऑफ द डायगोनल इन इट्स इंटीरियर और एक्सटीरियर? सो सिंपल इट इज. वी हैव टू ड्रॉ क्वाड्रिलेटरल विद द हेल्प ऑफ लाइन सेगमेंट्स. क्वाड्रिलेटरल P Q R S 2 डायगोनल्स बनाने हैं इसको. डायगोनल्स आर मीटिंग इन द इंटीरियर ऑफ द क्वाड्रिलेटरल. नाउ सी इधर भी हमें क्वाड्रिलेटरल बनाने हैं जिसमें 2 पेयर्स अपोजिट के लिखने हैं, 2 पेयर्स अपोजिट साइड्स के लिखने हैं. अपोजिट एंगल्स, एडजेसेंट साइड एंड एडजेसेंट एंगल्स. आई विल सेंड यू द PDF in the group. From that you make the quadrilateral. You just have to make a quadrilateral. Now in the next video we'll start with exercise 4.6. Good morning students. In the last video we saw about different polygons, quadrilaterals. Now in this video we'll start with the circles. What are circle? A circle is a simple closed curve which is not a polygon. Yes, obviously a circle is a closed curve which is not a polygon. मतलब इसमें कोई भी line segment नहीं है, but it is closed. So it is a closed curve. There are various parts of the circle. Circle के parts आपको पता है, center होता है, radius, diameter, chord, interior, exterior. These all are the parts of the circle. This is center, this is radius, this is diameter. Now here एक chord आएगा. These all things are there in the circle. Now what are radius? Radius is a small line segment which starts from center to the circumference of the circle. Diameter क्या है? chord है जो center of the circle में से pass होता है. Now now chord क्या होता है? एक small line segment which is inside the circle touching the 2 sides of the circumference of the circle. You will read this so you can make out what are the center of the circle. A region in the interior of the circle is also known as arc or called the segment of the circle. Now see. Now In the exercise 4.6, we have to draw a figure of the circle and points different center and 3 radii and diameters, chords, these all things in the circle. Now we have to make a circle. तो इधर एक सर्कल हमने बना लिया. यहाँ पे हमें क्या मार्क करना है? Firstly the center of the circle. So what is the center of the circle? Here is the center of the circle. कोई भी point हम लोग मार्क कर लेंगे, point A. चलो. Then second 3 radii. 3 radii we have to make. Okay. So how we can make it? You always use scale, during making the radii. I am making roughly. You use scale. One radii is this AB. Then one radii is this AC, and one radii is this AD. Now a diameter. Diameter हम लोग हमेशा सेंटर में से बनाएंगे. This is the diameter EC. Now a chord. You can make chord. कहीं भी आप chord बना सकते हो. Now this is the chord. 2 points in the interior. You can make any points in the interior. Point F, point G. Point in the exterior. So point L. A sector. You have to draw sectors. Now see, it is a sector. Now a segment. Segment. This is the segment. Already drawn है. Is every diameter of a circle also a chord? Yes. Is every diameter of a circle is also a chord? Yes. Is every chord of a circle is also diameter? No. Like this you have to make a circle and points various marks. Third one में भी यही है. एक center हमें circle we have to make and point different marks. Here in this figure you have to point the different marks. Here देखो figure दिया गया है already और figure में से हमें यहाँ पे point mark करना है. Center क्या है इधर? O. Now 3 radii. Radii कौन सा है? OA, OB, OC. Now diameter क्या है अपना? AC. A chord is DE. 2 points in the interior. Point O है और point B. Now a point in the exterior. Point Q. A sector. Sector ये है. This part is AOB is a sector. Segment is this. DE के अंदर. Diameter is a chord? No. Yes, but chord is not diameter? No. So you have to draw a circle. इधर हम लोगों ने कैसे draw किया and find किया? Like this you have to draw and mark different points. Now true or false? 2 diameters of a circle will necessarily intersect. True. The center of a circle is always in its interior. True. Now this chapter is finished. In the next video we'll start with chapter number 5.